Hello, next year 7th grade students at Skyview Middle School. Today I'm going to go through how to register in PowerSchool for your elective classes. So what you want to do is log into your PowerSchool. On the left side, there's a section called Scheduling. It's a tab. Click on that tab that says Scheduling, and then there should be something that says Class Registration. Once you get there, it should open to the screen. If that screen is locked, you can do a hard copy, which can be picked up from the school or you can find it online. You can read the first part about what the registration process entails and how credits are selected. Then you're going to go down here and under item number 1, you're going to click this little pencil. And the first thing you're going to click will be your PE options. One is regular gym, and the MS, which stands for middle school PE health, that is where they will be swimming twice a week and then doing regular gym. So all kids will swim once a week. Like in regular PE, you'll swim once a week. It's usually on Tuesdays. But this second PE, if you are a swimmer, you have to be a swimmer. In order to select that, you'll be able to swim twice a week instead of once. So select your PE options by clicking over here and then click OK. The next part really has to do with your electives. As you go through this, you're going to select 7 quarters of electives. Sometimes you don't have to select anything in the elective. Item number 2 talks about year-long elective classes. In your year-long elective classes, if you click on the pencil, you'll be able to see. You can scroll down a little bit. Concert band is our beginning band. Choir is singing all year. Symphonic band is the advanced band. And if you select yearbook, you will need to complete an application and submit that to us. And there's a deadline right there at spring break time in March. So make sure you submit that if you would like to be considered for a yearbook. You do not have to select anything in item number 2, but you're welcome to do so. Then click OK. That counts for 4 quarters of electives. Item number 3 are semester long electives. A semester is half of a year. It counts for 2 quarters. There are 3 items in there. Mixed choir is the same thing as the concert choir, only you're meeting half the year. Drumline will be a group of drums. You don't have to have any experience. They will teach you how to do that. And CAD/CAM is located in our shop, and you work with a computer program and a machine that cuts out your projects. And all 3 of those classes are considered semester long. They would take up 2 of your 7. So if you selected band, which was 4, and you selected something from here, 5, 6, that would be 6 items that you've selected. You would then go down to number 4 where you're going to select 1. You do not have to select anything in this category. Once you're done, you can click out. Item number 4 has a list of all the electives that we offer at Skyview Middle School that are 9 weeks long. 9 weeks is considered a quarter. Click on the little pencil. Once you get onto this page, there are a lot of options. There are 3 pages that you'll scroll through. As you look through the options, you're going to want to look at your course catalog to see what those classes are, because sometimes we have to use a different code because we don't have the exact code to select the classes that you want. You have to take an art intro class before you can take any other art class. And if you're not a band student, you need to select art. So make sure you go over there and select art. Only band students are students who do not have to have an art class. And then you can go down through the list and see what elective options you might be interested in picking. If you haven't selected a year-long or a semester-long, you're going to select 7 of these. After you have your selection made, click OK. And they're actually going to show up on your screen. I'm not really selecting them, so you don't see that. Item number 5 has to do with alternates. The list is exactly the same as what you saw in item number 4, but you should not pick any item that you've already selected. Okay, the computer doesn't like it if you select the same item. So select something different than what you put in item number 4, and that way the computer will recognize what alternate you are interested in. Now, an alternate is a class if one of your classes fills up or that class isn't offered anymore. The computer looks at your alternates, and once again, there's 3 different pages of alternates that you're selecting. And then once you're done, hit OK. If you picked as one of your primaries piano, drama, or Spanish, you are going to be putting more alternates than just 4. Those are classes we don't know if we're offering yet, so you are going to give me extra choices. So you can give me up to 7 choices that you are interested in. There's also a sheet that I will have you fill out having to do with alternates. And the sheet looks like this. It's very similar. It talks about if a class is full and the computer's going to look at your alternates. The computer has no way to determine which alternate you want into first. So we would like you to prioritize. This is my first option. This is my second option. So that way, at least we'll try to get you into a class that you desire, and instead of the computer just randomly picking the 4th option and you're like, oh, I wish I would have had this option. So this is a handout that also needs to be submitted. Once again, if you have selected piano, Spanish, or drama, you're going to have to add in your PowerSchool at least 1 more alternate per class that you've selected. If you selected one of these, you need 5 alternates. If you selected 2, you're going to need 6 alternates. If you happen to select all 3 of these, you're going to make sure you have 7 alternates. That way we can get you the class that you are really interested in having. If you have any questions, feel free to call Skyview. Katie is the counseling secretary. She's happy to help you or walk you through this, and we will be at schools visiting. If you missed that visitation, you're welcome to pick up a packet at Skyview Middle School. Thank you.